Welcome to InviteCelebrate. Let's take a quick tour of beautiful birthday websites built for busy families. Here is the InviteCelebrate homepage, one warm place for invitations, RSVPs, party details, and celebration memories. InviteCelebrate helps you create a beautiful event website, invite your loved ones, collect RSVPs, and keep all celebration memories together. Explore gorgeous birthday website templates designed for parents who want something warm, polished, and easy to share. For Sam's construction-themed party, the construction crew template brings playful energy guests will love to open. Every template is a full mobile-friendly celebration website, not just a flat invitation card. Start free, then upgrade when you want premium templates, SMS invites, and more celebration tools. Ready to begin? Create your first birthday celebration website in minutes. We will walk through that next. Thanks for watching. We cannot wait to see what you celebrate with InviteCelebrate.